everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be deep cleaning my windows and also making my homemade spider repellent. So join me today. We are officially in autumn, my favorite season of the year, and of course the spiders have begun making their nests around the home. And I was looking around and tidying up, and I noticed my windows actually need a deep clean as well. I've obviously neglected them this year. I've not even thought about them, so I was looking around across the house and looking at all my windows. These two stood out the most for me, so I decided to just dust up as much as I can, because honestly I have not touched my windows at all this year, and this is me officially just wiping off and getting rid of the cobwebs because they are literally everywhere. So I'm gonna get my steam cleaner. This is my first time using my steam cleaner on the windows, and if you are going to use a steam cleaner, just read the instruction manual. It will tell you all the areas that you can use your steamer on, and I love that it's getting all the hard to reach areas. Normally I'll be getting my electric scrubber with the pink stuff and just removing all these hard to reach areas, and it's all coming off. So with actually not a lot of effort, I am so glad I'm doing this. So let me know if you guys have got a steam cleaner and you're using it. I'm just gonna wipe off all the excess product, and look at that mold. Like, I think it's a mix of mold and maybe some dust. So I'm going to just show you how amazing this actually came off without a lot of effort. Not that I'm saying I'm not going to use the pink stuff ever again. I will, because I think there's some areas that need a little bit of a deeper scrub, and because I don't want to damage my windows, so I'm not really gonna put too much hot water on it. I'm not gonna use too much steam, sorry, on it, but overall I am so impressed. um, I never used a steam cleaner before. um, so this is the second window, second room, and I really have neglected my windows throughout the summer, so this is the first time my windows have got some love throughout this year. Like I mentioned, do your own research when it comes to steam cleaning your windows. I think there's like you can steam them if it's over 32 degrees or something like that to prevent the glass from cracking. But like I mentioned, read your manual and it'll tell you the best way to use your steam cleaner. So this is so satisfying. Look at all that dirt. I'm just gonna wipe it all off. I also like that all the hard to reach areas were literally where I was literally able to get them cleaned, and I'm just wiping everything off. Can you believe this is the same window? Amazing results, and without the scrubbing. So I will be definitely doing this again. We're going to make our own homemade spider repellent, so you need any bottle, spray bottle, and whatever essential oil you choose. So I have tea tree oil. My spray bottle is currently filled with water. I'm just going to open and then just pour. Other essential oils you could use to repel the spiders are cinnamon, lavender, tea tree, and peppermint. Apparently spiders absolutely do not like the scent of these oils, so if you've got any of these essential oils in your home, they will be best for you. Going to spray all my windows that I've just cleaned with this repellent and some conkers. I'm going to put some conkers on the windowsill just for extra look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys on the next one. You have a lovely day.